Hello everyone. So the easiest way integrate the Google Maps into your project. Here we go. Here's the application and build with and this is playgrounds and there is a map, for example, here. And yeah, we can see here, for example, we can zoom in, we can drag in and see different places and how we can integrate the static map into our project. If our project doesn't support the internet connection and etc. stuff. So it's very easy. Go to Google Maps, the first step. And then here, there's a burger. I mean the menu here. And click on this. And here, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the print. And now click on the print this. And as you can see, the maps. And now we can print as a PDF and save it. I mean to save it. For example, we can, for example, here I use it just 9 tiles, 3 above, 3 at the center, and the 3 bottom. 9 tiles. And it means that you can make it 12 or 15. It depends on your project and your like your needs, like how big you want your map gonna be, or how big it should be. Yeah. Basically, this is 9 tiles. For example, here, first, the second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 tiles. And you can make it 12 as I said, as your need, or 15, or make it even bigger. Add here 3, add here 3, add here 3, add here 3, and make it more bigger and bigger. Yeah, its basic idea is this is a center, and here we have controls. For example, if you click this, it will move on here. If you click this, if you move on right side and bottom, top, left. Okay, let's assume this is a center, and we can save it. For example, center. This is the center of our map, and click on the print and save as PDF and save. We can say it here. For example, let's create a new folder, Google Maps static, and create, and then center. This is the very center. And then how to save other tiles. It's really simple, of course. The basic idea is to remember the position. For example, we can write down even on the list, or let's create notes here, and then we can write down here. Oops. For example, the very above is heating plan 3, and we can just save it, heating plan 3. Now we can go up here. For example, here is a heating plan, and then a bit, and that's it. Heating plan is on the bottom side, and this is a top side, top center of our map, and we can save it like top center. If you want to make it even more like bigger, so we can make it like top center and 1. This is like 1, and then a bit. For example, print. Oops, let's copy this and print. Okay, save it, top center 1, and that's it. And then we will go down till the heating plan here. Go down. Here's the heating plan. Go down. Wait. Okay, this is center. And then let's, for example, let's save it. This one. There's some Boston Street and then some bridge. Let's go down. Okay, there's no bridge, so bridge is above. And now we can save it like bottom. Bottom center 1, and save it. Okay. bottom center first. Okay, now we have bottom center, center, and the top center. Now we need left side, right side, top left side, top right side, and the bottom left side and the bottom right side. This is the same technique here. For example, let's center the map. Now it's centered. We can see heating map and also bridge. Now we can save the left side. How? Let's save it. For example, this one, Islam Nuri Mosque, and we can move till this disappears. More, and now here we have Islam Nuri. Let's move on here. Now it's disappeared. Now we can save the left side. For example, left center 1, yeah, and then save it. Left center 1. Okay, we have to save it. Now we need left top side. We should move until, for example, let's save this. For example, this one, milk agro. This one, milk agro. Let's go up till this disappears here. Now it's disappeared. Now we are in the top left side. Now we can save it. For example, left top 1 and print it. So let's copy. And here, and okay, now we need bottom side. Let's center the map. Now our map is centered because we can see the milk agro here. And then if we move to right side here, we can see the Islam Nuri Mosque here, this one, and this one, heating plant, and this friendship, and also bridge, because it's centered. And we can repeat to save the save the map like a static, bigger and bigger and bigger. Basically like this. And then when we save everything, we have PDF here. Everything is in a PDF format. We need PNG, I mean the image, because we cannot upload Figma, the PDF. So the easiest way, just double click on the PDF and it will open the PDF file, as you can here, and it's like position is not good, so don't touch it. Just click full view and then Control or Command plus, it gets bigger. Now we can take a screenshot of this. Why we are doing this? Because if we zoom in by our using the fingers, like using the fingers and mouse, we cannot always zoom in at the same like with the same width. For example, we zoom in with this with 100 and 200, but in the next PDF we can zoom in like 101 and 202, for example. Like we cannot like zoom in same every time with the mouse. So that's why the easiest way is just open, make it full window, and then click on the Command plus, it will zoom. I don't know, this is the easiest way. Okay, now we can take it screenshots. Okay, capture this. Now I have screenshot, and this is a PNG format, so we can basically add to the Figma. Now let's close this and then open the second one. Here we go, and then click this, then again Command plus. Why? Because if we call the screenshot here, as you can see here, it automatically captures the exact map position, because we already captured before the first map position. And then let's capture this. If we make it, for example, this default with mouse, for example, like this, we can make it like this, or like this. We don't know, like we cannot remember like before, like how many pixels were from the left side or right side or above or the bottom. So if we call the screenshot, there's as you can see here, there's a lot of paddings. I mean the white space all around, because we cannot like always zoom in with mouse same position. So let's close this, and easiest way, just full window, command plus, and then call screenshot, and it captures the only map. Yeah, this is the easiest way. Okay, we can repeat with all the maps, all the PDF, and when it's saved, just every time you save, just click and copy this and go to screenshots and just rename, like for example bottom center, rename it, so we will always know which tile is this. And then it's easiest way, like just drag and drop on the Figma and place them accordingly. For example, here, the center tile, for example, let's ungroup this. Okay, it's ungrouped. Now, as you can see here, if we move up, there's the top tile and the bottom tile. While saving, it's really just move down. We should it's upper. So the issue here, but let's hit overall here. It's so simple. The forwarding is true. It's correct. Nice. We can create a map, static map, application layer, anywhere like a background image, and yeah. So there can be some issues. There's some there's no map, some settings like empty space. I don't know what happened, but you can fill out this, simply go to map and like move all the and don't know why this is right. Okay, it's here is, oops. Okay, now it's nice, but there is issue. I don't know. You can just take a screenshot and here, and that's cool. Yeah, and then export PNG, or we can also say it's SVG, but Swift Playground doesn't support SVG, so I basically save it as a PNG. And then how we can integrate it? It's simple. The create static tile map view, and then basically call the image map. It's located here and the assets. And double click here and then add photo. It will automatically create assets and inside puts everything that you upload. Really easy. So and here, and then to make it full width, so basically we need such kind of code. I don't know, I just generated this. Yeah, that's all about this. And then at the end we have the, oops, let me run this. Da-da-da. It's running. Okay, here we go. At the end we should have like such kind of map, just displays the full width. We can drag in, we can zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, there's a basic idea and basic implementation how we can, basic logic, like how we can implement the static map in our applications and like put dots, make like something interesting, and there's no and we don't need internet connection and etc. So that's all about I want to tell.